So over here, I am in the color page, and if I were to go around and see right here, then this is a timeline that you see. And if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, the first clip and then click on the play button, then what happens is that it keeps on playing and continues throughout the other clips in the timeline. So if I want to go around and repeat out this single clip right here in order to only view the color correction in this particular clip, then you can go around and then click on the loop button for this particular clip right here. So once I do that and press the play button, now what happens is that if I were to go around and play, then it loops back onto that particular clip only. This is very helpful when you're working with color correction because you want to work around with color correction per clip in many cases. So now I'm just going to go around and press stop right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to select out certain portion of the timeline over here only and play that out. In that case, I can go around onto the timeline right here, press the in point by pressing I on my keyboard and by going around over here and by pressing O right here. So once I do that, I accidentally clicked on the full screen right here. If I were to press O right here, then what happens is that I select out the out point right here. So if I were to go around and press the play button now, this is what happens right here. You can see that it repeats out right here, and right when it reaches out the end right here, for the out point, then it loops back from that particular point. And that is how you can use the loop, and then you can use the in and out point in timeline while you're viewing previews inside of the color page inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.